Are you having problems with WhatsApp channel not showing in search and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because me myself I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it. So what I did firstly was that I closed my WhatsApp app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone, as you can see, and then I scrolled down in here and I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and then as you can see I was taken to this page. Now I scrolled down in here and I clicked on storage, as you can see, and then I waited for this page to completely load. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry, I did some research, this is working on Android as well. You just need to find storage on your settings in your Android, and then you can follow along step by step. So we're just going to scroll down in here now and find WhatsApp, sorry. We're going to scroll down in here. Oh, here it is. So click on WhatsApp, and then you're going to click on Offload App. And once again, click on Offload App in here and just wait a couple of seconds. And then click on the blue button here again. Now what you're going to do, you're going to wait for your WhatsApp to completely load right here, as you can see, to the latest version. And when it's done loading to the latest version, you're going to go back and try once again. This actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.